Hey there, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to replace the string on this Kobalt 24-volt weed eater. Let's get started. First, you'll probably want to take the battery out just so that nothing accidentally happens while you're working on it. Now, before we get started, if you've got any string left inside, which sometimes happens, either one end gets cut off, but either way, if you got any string left inside, these two tabs here, one on either side, just need to be pushed in, and you can use your fingers and that'll pop this up here. Or if you have difficulty, your fingers aren't quite strong enough to get that out, what I found is take a screwdriver like I'm showing here and just push it in the top and then just pry up a little bit here. And that's a real handy way to get it out. And at that point, you can just remove whatever string's in there. After the string's out, you're just gonna line up these tabs. The ones that are on the head go on the inside of that. And you just press it down until it clicks into place, like that. Then you're gonna need something like this, 0.08 inch diameter twisted string. I'll post some links in the video here, but you can get this at Walmart or Lowe's or something like that. And you're gonna take a length of string here, and by the way, 12 to 14 feet is probably the max you want to put in there. I usually err on the side a little bit less, go about 10 feet, just because when it gets really crowded in there, the string starts to pinch itself and it won't come out real well. Make the end of the string as straight as you can here. See, that's pretty straight. It's curving a little bit because it's going to go in a hole here. You're going to stick it in this hole that's right there. And if it's curved at the end, it'll go in and it'll want to not come out the other side. So sometimes this takes some, oh, look at that, it went right through. Sometimes this takes some doing. But if you have trouble getting that to come through, make this really straight. So now at this point, I'm just going to pull out a length of string here. And then you're going to pull it through until you've got equal lengths of string coming out of each hole here. So I'll do that off camera. And now with equal lengths coming out of both sides, out of both holes, turn this handle like this, and then you're going to turn this counterclockwise. Notice the direction I'm turning that counterclockwise as you're looking from the top, and you can hear that clicking, and that's sucking the string in. And you keep doing that until all the string gets sucked in, until you've got about 3 inches sticking out on both sides. And then just let that handle go back the other way. Looks like the right length there, approximately. And there you go, that's all there is to it. Appreciate a like and a subscribe to the channel if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.